What do we guess? I have 2 cats. One is Callie right here. She's laying down and stuff. And we have Gizzy that is ran upstairs. Well, Gizmo. So Callie's nickname is Callie Valley. I have 2 nicknames, so one for Callie. So one for Callie. Right. Yeah, one for Callie and one for Gizzy. Well, Gizmo. Gizmo has 2 nicknames actually. And not that the easy way. So yeah, Callie's nickname is Callie Valley. Or second one is so Callie Valley. Callie Valley. What you doing? Callie Valley. She's laying. I'm trying to think of her other nickname because I know we gave both of the 2 cats 2 nicknames. I don't know why. We just did that. So Callie Valley is based off of Thinnermans. Max dates a girl named Allie. And Allie's parents call her Allie Valley. So that's where I got the name from. You guys don't know. I forgot her other nickname, but Gizmo nickname is Gizzy or Mysterious, I think. Or Shazam. Mysterious. Her nickname is Mysterious because whenever we're trying to find her to take her to the doctors or to like take them to the vet, she hides so good we can't even find her. One day we tried to find her for a vet thing, couldn't find her, so she missed out on it. And then the gal we bought this from, she's like, oh yeah, she's kind of like her mother. So they are kittens. But Callie likes to play a lot, likes to know me a lot. So when I'm doing work, she likes to come rub up on my legs, lick my legs, lick my hands and stuff. So yeah, she does a lot of that. But Callie Valley. Callie Valley. Oh, I'm trying to think of other name right now, but I can't. So yeah. And guys, comment down below. Yeah, comment down below what you think. My fans should be called. What should my fans be called? Because there's pieces of BTL fan or BTL.fan, BTL.fan, BTL fan, or B.fan, B. Or B.fans, BTL fan, fan, or whatever. Comment down below. I'm gonna end the video here. So, peace out, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.